What's up, YouTube? It's Dean Anthony, and we're here with another video. Just want to say thank you again for everyone who's viewing this video. We're starting off the year 2019 off right. We're going to keep shooting, going to keep working, make sure that y'all get content on a regular basis. So we're doing something a little bit different. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, if we were just being 100% honest. And excuse my voice, I kind of have a cold, and I'm going to get through this. But we're gonna be shooting product photography. So I don't have a major background in product photography, but as you become a photographer, you kind of just learn that like things balance in and out. So for instance, like though I don't shoot a bunch of product photography, I do shoot weddings. And while shooting weddings, you shoot a lot of details, which has a hint of product photography. You're changing that ring to look like it needs to be sold at a K's jewelry, or you're making sure those shoes look extra great. And so those real detailed shots. So what we're going to be doing today, I'm actually doing this for my fiance. She sells makeup, and she has a lot of stock that she wants to get rid of. So what I'm going to be doing is to help her out with like getting rid of that stock. I'm going to be making basically like a white square. Basically, I got a few of these like white boards right here, and it's going to make what it's going to look like is a seamless background for the product photography. And we're going to put these four boards together. I'm going to like tape them together. That's how they stand together well. Alright, so y'all can get a full sight of like what I use for like this macro photography shoot. Just want to run through everything that I'm using. So Heather ended up getting like, she got a package with some more makeup stuff, right? And in that package came this nice box. So I went to what's that place, Michael's, and I got like a few of these textures, 1, 2, 3 of these textures that you'll see throughout the shoot. So a pink, a gold, and a silver. Actually, let me put this up. Alright, I bought some beads that we use. I actually didn't use very many of these beads at all. I ended up using the rest because I just really like them. The beads, tape to help make these boards. So like everything is taped up right here. Not really sure if you can see it or not, but like this is all taped together. Using these black beads, and then we have these clear beads. Got some green beads. Oh, and this is the camera equipment that I use. So here's my Godox trigger. Right here is the light that I was using for it. Let's see, get that in focus. Bam. Kinda. Can't focus on it. Yeah, but this is the Godox Pro. Godox AD. Excuse me. I keep saying Pro, but it's like AD. So I was using this light over here on the C-stand to light up the whole deal. Yeah, and also like guys, you can like take pictures like this anywhere. It was just we're in her kitchen. Like, that's literally it. And so boom. And what I was shooting with was my 5D Mark IV. Put that up there. Boom. 5D Mark IV with the Tamron 90mm 2.8. And so like that's all it took for me to get what I needed. Yeah, and so that's what this whole thing looks like. Okay, so what we have right now is behind the scenes of how the shoot actually went. And so as you see, we have the box fully up. What I realized while shooting is that using the actual white background wasn't the best way to actually promote the images, just because where the name of the product was at the bottom of the image, the opposite of the cap. And so in order to like get that full shot, I felt like just that plain white background wasn't enough. So what I ended up doing, as you can see right now, is we used tiles as the background, so folding it to kind of give it an infinite look, and using the beads to complement it. And it's great. I ended up buying those multiple colors. They really came out the way I was looking for them to come out. Lastly, we also used the box, as you can see right now. This box really, while holding on to like the kind of like scrunchy paper, ripple paper and whatnot, it really gave that overwhelming sense to the images, and I really enjoyed that. It really like brought out what I was looking for to bring out. And lastly, using that micro lens, this is really where it shines. It's a place where I don't want to get too much of an image, but I want to make sure that everything's in focus, and there's no distractions. And so using that micro lens, bringing it up close, really made the images come out great. The last element to this is the Godox light that's behind me. The con to using macro lenses is that, like, you can when you get the closer that you get to the actual item, the less light that you actually have. And so using that giant Godox really helped to bring out the images. And so these are some of my favorite images from the shoot that I'm gonna show you now. Well, that's everything for today, and I just want to say thank you so much again for checking out my channel. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment, or just want to tell me how you felt about the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, make sure you like and subscribe. We're working on growing this channel every single day. Also, check me out on Instagram at DeanAnthonyII, and thank you again. Can't wait to see you for the next video.